Ready, start!
Gospel. 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 Gospel.
So, God loves us. Life. God loves our life. God loved us so much, He gave us life.
This is God. This is man. There's the separation because we sin. That's it.
He died. He died. He died to save us from our sin. To save us. To save us. To save us from our sin. To save us. To save us. To save us from our sin.
Jamaica, we got a bobsled team.
Jesus. That's what we receive. In us, we receive Him. We receive. And then we were gifted to others. So not only we receive, but they receive too. So we all receive.